All right, hey Gregory, how's it going? Thanks for the video update. I appreciate it. Super exciting to be um, finally at the user interface phase. That is like the most exciting time for me. The back end stuff, of course, is super critical. It's the it's everything. But the getting to the user interface part for me is just super exciting. So um, now that we're here. I'm the designer, so there is no other person. It's all been done in Illustrator and InDesign, and everything's vector. So I can make everything into SVGs for you if that's easiest. But we've got logo version A is vector, logo version B is vector. Here, I'll grab it right there. So both logo versions are vector. These guys are vector. So pretty much we can export pretty much all this to individual SVG files, so you can use those for the different elements. This is vector. So yeah, essentially I can copy it out from here. Whoops. I'll drop it back into Illustrator and we'll shrink the artboard to fit the artwork. And then those lines are still there. There's just no blue background, so you can't see the lines, but they're still there. Whoops. Okay, and we'll save this as let's call it dots2.svg, and okay, and we'll get rid of that and jump back in here and grab this. Paste that, and object, artboards, fit to artwork bounds. We'll save that as dots1. I might rename these before I send these to you, but for now we'll just call them this. And then, well, I can do a lot of this off stream, but essentially everything that's not text is vector. So I can get you the vector of all this stuff really easily. I guess for this all you would need is, let's get rid of this. Oh, I've got it grouped. So yeah, I'll come back to this and deal with it later. Well, I'll ungroup things and select the elements out. But I'm assuming that you're going to need logo version A, logo version B. I can grab these dots for you here. This is all text. Oh, you asked what the font was. I'll send you the font, but it is Open Sans. And I think I did that consistently because you want to have consistent font throughout. Yeah, I did go through and normalize this. So when I first put it all together, there was different font sizes and whatnot, but now there's relative consistency with font sizes and everything balances really well. So I will get you the SVGs first, then I'll look into doing that mock-up that you're looking for. So that you can just import those essentially, right? So it's like a wireframe, and you'll just use my wireframe for the app. That should be fine. But that's pretty much it for now. Let's see what else. I think you had asked for. I don't have my phone with me. You asked for the font, which I'll send you. I'll send you the SVG files. I think that was it for now. Oh, I was going to say if Send me the, when you have a version that you're feeling good about, send me the UI work that you've done on web, or UI work for web. I think you mentioned that you had been working on that and you got it pretty close. I know that we're not going to be pixel perfect on the web because we're multiple devices, multiple resolutions. But as long as we have a framework that looks generally like this, it's going to be fine. I just want to make sure that everything scales right at different devices and different resolutions. So I guess that's it for right now. I again appreciate the update. Super excited to be at the user interface phase, and talk to you soon. All right, thanks, Gregory. Bye-bye.